x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared is the standard equation of a circle with the radius r and the center is at the origin. So for example, you have an example, x squared plus y squared is equal to 9, and you're asked to graph this equation. So 9 will be your r squared. So r squared is equal to 9. To get the r, you get the square root of 9, which is 3. So your radius is 3. So your circle has the center at the origin with a radius of 3. So this is around here, this is around here, this is around here, and this is around here. So this is your circle. Now let's reverse the question. Find the equation of a circle with center at the origin and a radius of 5. So we just plug this one into the radius. You have x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 squared. So your equation will be x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Now if the center is not at the origin, for example, your center of the circle is at hk, this is the standard equation. X minus x, the quantity squared, y minus k, the quantity squared is equal to r squared. So here's an example. Find the equation of a circle with center at 3, -5, and a radius of 2. So we just plug it into the formula. We have x minus 3 squared plus y minus -5 squared is equal to 2 squared. So this becomes x minus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equal to 4. So this is x minus 3 times x minus 3. So if we multiply x minus 3 times x minus 3, it becomes x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus this y plus 5 times y plus 5, it becomes y squared plus 10y plus 25 is equal to 4. Then we can rearrange x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y, 34 minus 4 is plus 30 is equal to 0. So this is your equation of the circle with the center at 3, -5 and a radius of 2. Now let's reverse the question. We have this equation, x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 10y plus 30 is equal to 0. Find the center and the radius. So we'll rearrange again. So x squared, we'll put the -6x, and then the y squared plus 10y, we leave it blank, is equal to -30. We will now complete the squares. So to complete the squares, you take this divided by 2 and you square it. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Squared will be 9. So you add 9. 10 divided by 2 is 5. You square it, is 25. So plus 25. Now we have added 9 and 25 on the left side. That is 34. So you have to add 34 on the right side as well. Now this is a perfect square. This is also a perfect square. So you can rewrite this as x minus 3, the quantity squared, plus, this is also a perfect square. You can rewrite it as y plus 5 the quantity squared is equal to 4. So now, if we compare this to the standard equation, they're supposed to be minus. So to make this minus, we have to make this into -5. So we rewrite this as this: x minus 3 squared plus y minus -5 squared is equal to 4. So looking in here, you will get your center will be at 3 and -5. Your radius, so r squared, your r squared is 4, so your radius is 2. Now we can plot it in here. The center is at 3, -5, so 1, 2, 3, and then -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, this is your center, and your radius is 2, so you have 2, radius of 2, so this is your circle, and that's the circle equation.